Today we will be unboxing Honor Band 5 fitness bracelet. It is available on multiple online stores and in your local store as well. Let's open the box. Inside the box we find the Honor Band 5. This is a waterproof smart bracelet. It has a premium finish and the straps are premium plastic with Honor branding. This is the charging apparatus. You can attach it to the bottom of the bracelet and it will start charging. It states that it has a battery of 15 days once you fully charge the bracelet. Inside the box, you will find the warranty card and the user manual. That's for today.